Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all of those people who do not know me, my name is Shulo, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more such videos. Today's video is going to be about how you can attempt the maximum MCQs in your maths paper. So starting with point 1, scan through the entire paper in the first 5 minutes. So जब आपको पेपर मिलेगा, you have to complete certain formalities, you have to sign and you have to राइट योर सीट नंबर एंड अदर नंबर्स ऑन द पेपर. सो वो सब करने के बाद आपके पास अगले 5 मिनट में आपको बस पूरा पेपर स्कैन करना है. एंड व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय स्कैन? आप यू हैव टू लाइक हर क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या है आपको वो समझना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ सम क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी, then you need to see what is asked, whether they have asked NPV, PVR, FVAD, पूछा क्या है वो क्वेश्चन में. एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस फॉर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. मोटा मोटा बस ऊपर से पढ़ो कि ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या है. सम क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम इंडेक्स नंबर और प्रोबेबिलिटी और परम्यूटेशन एंड combination what they have asked, because the reason I'm telling you this is because it ends up saving a lot of your time. And I would also say that I have created a playlist on TVM where I've taught the calculator tricks of solving all the varieties of questions of TVM, and I have given questions for you guys also to practice so that it helps strengthen your concepts. And the beneficial thing is that you can complete this entire playlist in 30 minutes. The link for the playlist is in the description. If you have not yet revised TVM, then you can check the playlist. अगर आपने revise already किया है फिर मत देखना, it's a waste of time. Moving on to the second point, how should you fill your MCQ OMR sheet. जो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा करते हैं कि वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं OMR भरते हैं, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं OMR भरते हैं, विच इन माई वे इज़ रॉन्ग. द रीज़न फॉर इट इज़ when you are solving the questions you are in a flow, and जब आप OMR sheet भर रहे हो तो आप अपना flow तोड़ रहे हो. So decide like a certain number of questions, like after 15 or after every 20 questions you're going to fill the OMR sheet. So this allows you to be in flow, and when you're in flow you solve the questions more quickly, and आप फिर अपना टाइम बचाते हो which you can spend in solving the other questions of the exam. So make sure that you fill the OMR sheet after every 15 or 20 questions. Point number 3, in every attempt of ICI in the maths paper there are at least 5 to 6 tricky questions, and you need to admit that you won't be able to solve it. You won't be able to solve these questions unless you are a genius or gifted person. And the reason that ICI gives these questions is that you waste your time in solving these questions और फिर आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिले. मैथ्स इज such an exam that makes your aggregate, so focus on maximizing your marks in maths. And the fourth point is check your watch after every 5 minutes in the exam. आपको ये मेक श्योर करना पड़ेगा कि हर 5 मिनट में मेरे एटलीस्ट 4 क्वेश्चंस बन रहे. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग 4 क्वेश्चंस देन यू कैन बी अश्योर्ड दैट आपका पेपर टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व like 80 to 90 questions, and this will ensure that you get more marks, you maximize your marks in maths और आपका aggregate बने रहे. So thank you. This was all of it from my side. Bye.